Morning students, today revision chapter 2 Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom, basis of classification. All animals are metamorphs, multicellular, eukaryotic and heterotrophic animals. Basis of classification. Classification is based arranged the like arrangement of cells, level of body organization, body symmetry, nature of coelom, pattern of digestive, circulatory or reproductive system. Level of organization. First one, cellular level. Cells are arranged as loose at aggregates. It shows no coordinate to form tissue. Individual cells are capable of performing specific functions. Sponges. Tissue level, performing the similar functions of aggregate of tissues. Coelent traits. Organ levels. Tissues are grouped together form organs. Organs is associated to execute specific functions. Platyhelminthes and other higher phyla. Organ system level, group of organs working together large is called organ system. Digestive system, in animals, mouth, tongue, salivary glands, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestines, large intestine, liver, gallbladder, bile ducts, pancreas together constitute the digestive system. Incomplete and complete. Differentiate. Incomplete digestive system has only a single opening the outside of the body. It acts as both anus and the mouth. Platyhelminthes and coelent traits. Complete digestive system has two separate openings to each other, the mouth and the anus. Man. Examples. Compare closed and open circulatory system. The circulatory system, it is two types, open type and closed type. Open type, the blood is remaining filled in tissue spaces due to the absence of the blood capillaries. Examples: arthropods and mollusca, echinoderms and euchordata. Closed type, the blood is circulated through the blood vessels of varying diameters, arteries, veins and capillaries. Examples: annelidas, cephalochordata and vertebrate. Symmetry, arrangement of the boards, the main median of the idea was given Haeckel. Three types. Asymmetry, cannot be divided into two equal halves through the plane passes through the center. Examples: sponges. Radial symmetry, body can cut the equal halves through the central axis and the body main oral and abnormal end, the right side. Coelent traits, Ctenophora, Echinodermata. Bilateral symmetry, body can divided into two equal halves, the single plane passing through the center. Examples: annelidas. Diploplastic or triploplastic organization. What are the four characters common to most animals? On the basis of germ layers, all animals will be diploplastic, ectoderm and endoderm, two layers, or triploplastic, outer ectoderm, mesoderm and inner layer. Animals show symmetry. They can be radial symmetry or bilateral symmetry. Radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. Few animals like sponges lack symmetry. Most animals, body cavity, body wall, alimentary canal is lined in the mesoderm. This is called coelom. Coelom. Some animals lack coelom, acoelomates, or have false coelom, coelomates. Reproductive characters seen in the all animals, asexual or sexual or both. Segmentation. The entire body transfer divided into the number of ring-like parts called the segment. The segmentation is metamerism. The arthropods, the metamery segment, the parrot, appendage, various functions such as legs and locomotion, the antenna, the sensory functions are mouth. Notochord. The divided rod-like structures present in dorsally embryonic development. Chordates. Animals with notochord in chordates. The notochord is present in some stages, life, fishes, birds, mammals. Non-chordates animals with notochord. They do not possess the notochord at any stage of this. Choose the term that does not belong the following group and explain why it does not belong. Notochord, subluxation, dorsal nerve cord and radial symmetry. And radial symmetry is the term that does not belong to the group. Reason: notochord, subluxation, dorsal nerve cord are characters feature of phylum Chordata. This phylum comports of animal with bilateral symmetry, hence the radial symmetry does not belong to the group. Common cystocoelom with enterocoelom. Eucoelom or true coelom is filled with fluid cavity that develops within the mesodome and is lined by mesoterminal epithelium called petronium. Such animals with a true body cavity are called eucoelomates. Based on the mode of the formation, coelom or eucoelom classified into two types. First one, cystocoeloms. Cystocoelomate animals. In these animals, the body cavity formed the splitting of mesodomes. Examples: Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca. Enterocoelomate animals. In these animals, the body cavity formed from the mesodermal pouches of Arcentron. Examples: echinoderms, hemichordates and chordates. Kingdom: level of organization, cellular level, tissue, organ system, symmetry, radial symmetry, bilateral symmetry, body cavity or coelom without body cavity, acoelomate with false or coelom, pseudocoelomate with true coelom, coelomates. Phylum: Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophore, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. First one, the animals. Porifera. Porifera forces opening for bear feet. This group of most primitive animals popular called sponges. There was recognized the animals the Ellis. The study of sponges is the zoology. Most of them the marine and remain attached to rocks. Some lives in freshwater. Spongilla is a freshwater. Why are spongin and spicules important to a sponge? The body of sponges is supported by a skeleton made up of calcareous and siliceous. Spicules or spongin or both. Acoelomatic animals, the radial symmetry. There are pore bearing animals. The body performed the numerous opening or pores called astia. Differentiate layers. An outer layer or flat cells called pinocytes. The inner, the flagellate called in the collar cells. There are diplo. Second phylum, Coelenterata animals. The phylum Coelenterata, commonly called coelentrates, are nidarians. And there are the more advanced the sponges in the true coelom. This radial symmetry. The sessile or free swimming exhibit that is a level of organization. Acoelomates radial symmetrical, but the sea anemone the bodily symmetrical. Observe the animals below the answers. Only the sea anemone. Identify the animals. What are the type of the symmetry does in the exhibit? Radial symmetry. Is the animal sepalized? No, the sepalized head and brain formations, the anterior end not seen. Diploplastic. Two germ layers present in outer ectodome, inner endodome. The jelly like the mesozoa is the two layers. The coelenterate or central vascular central vascular cavity which serves for the digestive open out by the single opening called mouth and or histoma. This process of digestion, ingestion and egestion. No nerve system are absent. The nerve system is primitive, is formed diffused nerve net. Phylum Ctenophora, the first recognized only the Scopus includes only small group of animals, 50 species. The phylum commonly called sea walnuts and comb jellies. Platyhelminthes phylum. Platyhelminthes in the commonly there were flatworms. The body is generally dorsiventral. The flatworms, the first group of the animals, the anterior is developed in the head. Important characters, the organ parasitic, presence of hook and suckers, bilaterally symmetrical. Triploplastic animals, the 3 germ layers present. Why flatworms are called acoelomates? Flatworms are called acoelomate animals do not possess a body cavity or coelom. Since there is no body cavity in these animals, their body is solid without previous cavity. This resistance the free movement of internal organs. Examples: flatworms. What are flame cells? Flame cells, the specialized cells called flame cells, are seen in phylum Platyhelminthes. These cells help in osmoregulations and excretion. They have flickering cilia or flagella driving the absorbed excretory product. Next phyla, Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes, this examples roundworm. The coelom present, pseudocoelom. Digestive tract, complete alimentary canal. Cuticle, collagenous nutrients, parasites, reproductive, sexual dimorphism. Dioecious sexual dimorphism present. The male or small female. Males have copulation spicules which help in the process of copulations. Fertilization is internal. The zygote thick cervix, the advised conditions development is direct or indirect. Annelida. Annelida, the phyla is the larval trochophore found. Phylum Mollusca and phylum Annelida. Larva trochophore found in characters Mollusca and phylum Annelida. Molting arthropods. Arthropods, when they grow into big, further exoskeletal arthropods with molt or silt the skin and grow the new one. Mollusca, the second largest phylum, the soft bodies, the study mollusca in the molluscans cells is called conchology. The mollusca, the organ system level of the organization and segmented, bilaterally symmetrical except univalves, triploplastic animals. True coeloms reduced in the adult. Echinodermata, spiny skinned the sponges animals. Echinodermata, the exclusive marine animals, the body covered large number of spines in the generally immovable, the productive, the functions. The vast tube feet. The water vascular system consists of the radiation canal tube like the appendages filled with water. The appendages is called tube with fodio. The main functions, locomotions and capture of food.